it's Blush Bunny. Today I'm going to teach you how to take a pre-recorded voice clip and put it into Build-A-Bear plushie. So first you're going to need Voicemeter. Voicemeter, there are tons of online tutorials on how to set it up. I'm not going to go and show you right now, but just come back to this video after you have it all set up. And then you're also going to need, oh, whoops, I thought that was Eartrumpet for a second. You're going to need Eartrumpet. And so first what you're going to do is you're going to obviously take your voice clip and you're going to go to Eartrumpet and go down to Media Player and move it to your virtual cable. So let me make sure I did that right. Yep. Okay. So now we're going to go to Build-A-Bear's website and make sure you have the right microphone selected. And make sure to mute your microphone and make sure to select this microphone and turn it on. Now you're going to go and press record and go and clip your voice clip. So let's make sure they're recorded right. Yep, okay, so we recorded all right. And that's how you do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Bye-bye!